So, feeling more optimistic about getting your crypto fix with Revolut? Let's recap the key roadblocks and how to overcome them. First, confirm you're in a supported region. Geo-restrictions can be a deal-breaker. Check Revolut's website for a list of eligible locations. If you are restricted, then unfortunately there's nothing much you can do, other than traveling freely or looking at different apps. Then be sure you've got your account fully verified and that any maximum spending limits are set correctly. You need to make sure you're not hitting any roadblocks created by your own account security settings. Next, consider your transaction frequency and size. Avoid rapid-fire or large purchases. Spread out your buying for a few days to avoid hitting a security blocker. Make sure you don't make payments that can be seen as scams, like paying for a product you have not received. Double-check external payment restrictions. Your linked card might be blocked by your bank. Check with them directly. Contact Revolut support as your last resort. They can offer personalized support to help clarify any issues not covered.